a recipe for sweet potato pie. Yes, but only feed it to him. Feed to him every 3 hours. Don't bring somebody to you, little fucking ever out. Leave your number just in case. Okay, just in case.
Curtis, can you help us?
Yeah, what's up? Name 2 great kings.
Oh, I got that. I can ask. 2 great kings for 200. Okay, the first great king is smoking, and the second one is shrinking. Smoking.
Come on, right this
King Kong. Break dancing. How you doing? Look like you about to have good brother and sister. Look, you look like you about 4 centimeters out of it. I think you'll have to give a very sexy. You don't look like you. Tell me what you think about this. I always get a good one in there. What you want to watch?
I guess you should just leave him alone, her alone. That would be my guess. Good, JJ, you want some of that? Go for it.
Want to watch a movie? Now. Yeah, now. Right now.
Really?
Let's do this.
Really?
These T-Rex instantly to your TV plus DVDs. Watch as many TV episodes and movies as you want for only $9 a month.
Watching the bull and bear markets battle it out is not a retirement plan. So I switched to E-Trade and jumped on their retirement quick plan. It showed me the gloomy truth and let me run scenarios until I figured out how to eliminate my shortfall. Then I used their screeners to choose the right investments. Hey, my retirement plan didn't work, and E-Trade helped me get it done. Get a retirement plan that works at E-Trade.
Wilshire Farm. Our products are out. Thanks to sealed in.
All I saw was just a gray wall coming. That was when we got in behind the stairwell.
We wrote the insurance just 5 days before the tornado hit.
Great to be able to call someone who's local and can answer your questions right away.
That's just what Farmers is all about.
I know with our old policy, we weren't.
Have you had enough now?
Things change and you need to be changing your insurance to match it.
Are you this